Hello everyone, welcome to Two Sisters Gardening. This is Mandy. I live in zone 7B in Tennessee. I am doing pretty exclusively right now container gardening, and that is mainly because we rent, and I have put forth the effort in previous houses that I did not get to keep, and I'm not real sure I want to do that this time around. So we're just doing container gardening, although there is plans for, sorry, neighbor, a big long 2-foot by 24-foot bed to be put in along my walkway so that I have some extra room to grow. They don't require more pots. So, yeah, let's take a look around, huh? Alright, so let's start from my perspective daily. I usually come out the garage there, and I come visit my plants, my babies. This is my front of my house, and this is my setup currently. I have some flowers I just put in yesterday, trying to attract some pollinators. We have some more soil and empty pots there that got to find out what I'm going to do with those. Not quite sure yet. These two buckets have raspberry bushes in them that I just don't know if they're going to make it. They've been in the bucket for probably 2 months. One has a couple of little leaves on them. Nothing worth writing home about. And there we have some green onions, variety of colorful carrots, rainbow carrots, radishes, and these guys will be harvested very soon here, within the next 7 days or so. Beefsteak tomato coming up, yellow squash, cherry tomatoes that I will most likely separate just so they have room to grow. I needed to get them out of the little baby pots though. These are my purple beans that have some problems. You can see on the leaves and the foliage that they're just not super healthy. Not exactly sure why. If you have any suggestions, let me know. Some squash. More than likely that's yellow squash. These are some green beans. They're looking pretty good. Beets. Those have taken a little while to get established. And you can see this guy here. Not sure he's going to make it, but looks like the rest of them are starting to grow. Some more squash. I'm pretty sure these are yellow squashes. I haven't got a label on them, so I don't know for sure. More beets that are doing better than the others. Cherry, yellow pears, tomatoes, Park's Whopper, and I have my first little baby tomato climbing up on this one, or growing this one. Right there. This is my Cherokee Purple, Husky cherry tomato, Snow peas that are starting to grow. Garlic. And some onions. Over here, I've got all my little babies that I've grown from seed. Some of them doing better than others. Need a home. Right along here, right next to the walkway, I'm hoping to have my husband build me a long bed, 2-foot wide, 24-foot long bed. We have some little daylilies that are going to be brilliant orange and purple. And just some petunias and petunia lookalikes that is gorgeous red, and these will be the deep purple. And have some succulents here. It's kind of hard to see, but got these from Mountain Crest Gardens online. Most of them, not all of them. They are struggling because they need to dry out. There's too much water in that pot. Here are my clearance orchids. I had to cut considerable amount of roots out because they were just so dead. So hopefully they will be revived. This is where I usually do most of my seed work. It's a mess. And I have some bearded irises down here that I've got to put up for storage until I figure out what I'm going to do with them. And this has got 2 bleeding heart bulbs in it that hopefully will sprout. I'm not sure if it will or not yet. We are currently renting. I think I mentioned that, but really just wanted to get a few things in dirt. I swore I wouldn't garden this year because we were renting, didn't know how long we'd be here, but that bug just bit and took hold. Had to do some gardening, putting some things in dirt, see some progress, so we'll keep you updated.